This is Frontier Opening Bell this Thursday. Let's get this show started. I am Wilson Omofai on behalf of Frontier Africa Report. The Nigerian markets did about 0.1% on Wednesday. The BRVM down by 15 basis points. You can see the Egyptian market, the markets in Nairobi as well as South African eked out some decent gains on the trading day. Let's take that down. Look at big stories from the East African continent. The continent equal partnership is the big talk at the ongoing EU-African Union Business Summit in Brussels. It's a hybrid event, by the way, which the European Union and others and the African Union are having a handshake to discuss how equal partnership can help both sides of the continent. And the CDCS, which is the Central Depository and Settlement Corporation in Kenya, has gotten the approval of the Kenya's Capital Market Authority to exit regulators' sandbox and move on to offer settlement and borrowing products within the Kenyan market. Then insurance claims by Kenya was down 4% to about 2 million in the fourth quarter of last year, while the country's national oil corporation says it's about 13 billion shillings as a bailout from the treasury, that is the government. Kenya is yet to start exporting crude oil massively, but the country's oil corporation is already in debt. And Tanzania's exports to Kenya doubled by 50% to about 15 billion shillings in the full year of 2021, reporting trade between two of East Africa's largest economies. In Nigeria and West Africa, we got Crowdforce and Flutterwave and others reporting the latest round of fundraising, $250 million for Flutterwave, which is an American company with a very strong presence in Nigeria and the rest of Africa, bringing its valuation to $3 billion. Crowdforce also said it raised about $3.6 million in Series A funding to expand its operations in Nigeria. MFS Africa also announced yesterday that it's joined the Pan-African Payment and Settlement System headquartered in Accra, Ghana, to enable borderless trade on the African continent, expanding towards 35 countries on the continent. Meantime, Ghana will not be listed among the key beneficiaries of AFCFTA according to the World Bank if few things are not put in place. And Côte d'Ivoire raised about 30 billion CFA franc on the WAEMO market. That's the French-speaking market for all countries in West Africa, 8 of them. So let's touch with Southern Africa, ending still on the roll with Steinhoff saying they started a payout to creditors in the 35 billion rand settlement. Well, Heineken says his profit after tax was about 3.2 billion euros, but there's still inflationary pressure or impact on its earnings ahead. That's according to one of the world's leading brewer yesterday reporting its full year 2021. South Africa's inflation has softened to about 5.7% when the numbers came out yesterday from the Statistics Office on the back of lower fuel prices, by the way. The Central Bank of Namibia raised interest rate to about 4% policy rate first time in 6 years, while Mozambique's GDP went up 3.22% year on year at the end of the fourth quarter of 2021. And summing it up for you, on the North African space, in Egypt, Mubasher, which is a financial services company, says it expects the central bank in Egypt to raise interest rate by at least 1% for the half year 2022-2023, just a few months down the line. And Egypt has signed the second phase of the East Mediterranean Gas Forum strategy to keep its energy space up and running. Heliopolis Housing is listed on the Egyptian exchange and has doubled its revenue to £234 million Egyptian pounds in a 6-month reporting period. While Morocco's Colorado, which is a chemical and paint company, says its revenue went up 24.4%, 574 million dirhams for full year 2021. And Tunisia's pharmaceutical company, Fufat, also reported a 60% drop in revenue for 2021. And that's bringing everyone up to speed in this current earnings. So, I'm Wilson Omofai. Thank you very much for watching the show. Go on our YouTube, you can watch it again at Frontier Africa Report. Subscribe is free, and go on our website, frontierafricareports.com. Read our stories and a few other shows that we also have lined up for you. And remember to follow us on all the social media platforms on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.